Mohammed, Farhan and Hussein are in partnership sharing profits and losses equally. After being in the partnership for over 5 years, Farhan does not like the attitude of the other two partners and has now decided to retire from the partnership firm. And this is a case of retirement of a partner. Let's see the adjustments which are required at the time of retirement of a partner. 1. There will be change in the profit sharing ratio among the continuing partner. Because of the retirement, the profit which was earlier going to Farhan will now be distributed between Mohammed and Hussein. For this, the continuing partner will compensate the retiring partner by way of goodwill. Next, adjustment will be required for assets and liabilities. Any reserves, undistributed profits or losses will now be adjusted. The capital amount standing credited to the capital account of the retiring partner should now be returned to him. It might be the case that the retiring partner is not pulling out his capital immediately at the time of retirement. This capital may be used by the firm as retiring partner's loan. This will require us to compute the interest and its repayment. Lastly, the continuing partner may also decide to adjust the capital account among themselves. We will have a look one by one in all these aspects. Change in profit sharing ratio. Let's understand this with the help of an example. ABC are 3 partners sharing profits and losses equally. Let's say the firm made a profit of Rs 1 lakh during an accounting year. The share of each partner will come to Rs 33,333. Let's say A retired from the partnership firm, and B and C, the continuing partner, will share the future profits equally. The share of the continuing partner comes to Rs 50,000 after the retirement of A. In this example, the profit previously which was distributed between 3 partners will now be distributed between 2 partners. That is, there is definitely a change in the profit sharing ratio because of retirement of A. Now let's understand the definition of new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is the ratio in which the continuing partner will share the future profits of the firm. That is, future profits after retirement of one or more partner. As discussed earlier, at the time of retirement of a partner, the remaining partner will gain a part of retired partner's share of profit. Therefore, the new profit share of the continuing partner will be the total of his old share plus the acquired share of the retired partner. Makes sense, right? His old share plus what he gets from the retired partner. Let's see the different situations relating to calculation of new profit share. Case 1. When one partner retires and the new profit sharing ratio among the remaining partner is not given. When one partner retires and the new profit sharing ratio among the remaining or continuing partner is not given, always assume that the new profit sharing ratio among the old partners will be the same as the old ratio. What did I just say? When one or more partner retire and no information regarding the new profit sharing ratio among the remaining partner is given, assume that the new profit sharing ratio among the old partner will be same as their old ratio. So if A, B, C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1, 2 and 3 and B retired from the partnership firm, simply strike out the share of the retiring partner and you will get the new profit sharing ratio. Let's understand this with the help of another simple example. X, Y, Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1 by 2, 2 by 5 and 1 by 10. Find out the new profit sharing ratio at the time of X retirement. In this, first find out the simple ratio by calculating the LCM. The ratio comes out to 5 by 10, 4 by 10 and 1 by 10. Now since X is retiring, simply strike out the profit share of X from the existing ratio. The new ratio will be, always remember, Unless any other information is given in the question, the retiring partner's share of profit is acquired by the remaining partner in the old profit sharing ratio, and the new profit sharing ratio among the continuing partner will remain the same. When all the remaining partners acquire the share of the retiring partner in a specified ratio. Let's understand this with the help of another example. A, B, C are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5, 3 and 2. B retired from the partnership firm. His share is taken by A and C in the ratio of 2 and 1. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. First, what is the formula for new profit sharing ratio? It is old ratio plus the acquired share. We have the old share of the partner in the question, but we need to calculate the acquired share. So, what is the total share of B? It is 3 by 10. It is given that his share is taken by the existing partners in the ratio of 2 and 1. This means we need to distribute 3 by 10 in the ratio of 2 and 1 and add this share of profit to the old share of the continuing partner. So, A's acquired share of profit will be C's acquired share of profit will be A's new share of profit is equal to old share plus acquired share. C's new share of profit is equal to his old share plus the acquired share. So the new profit share between A and C is 7 by 10 and 3 by 10, which is equal to 7:3. As a final check, always see that the total of new profit sharing ratio should be equal to 1, as 1 represents 100%. So how did we do this? First, identify the share of the retiring partner. Then distribute the share of the retiring partner in the ratio specified in the question. Add this acquired share to the old share of the continuing partner and get your final answer right, because new profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio plus the acquired share of profit.